नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। और इस YouTube चैनल पर आपको मिलती हैं एक ही मैटर पर 3 डिफरेंट स्पीड्स में डिक्टेशंस। दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें, क्योंकि जो भी डिक्टेशन यहाँ से डाली जाती है वो बेल आइकन प्रेस करने पर ही आपके पास पहुँचती है, उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास पहुँचता है। और अगर आप हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से या फेसबुक ग्रुप से जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। अब ये जो मैटर बोलने वाले हैं, इसकी 2 डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड पर मिनट और 100 वर्ड पर मिनट अपलोड कर दी गई है इससे जस्ट पहले। अब हम 120 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड से ये डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं। 5 सेकेंड में डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे। 5 सेकेंड्स। Apart from this, as set out in Raman Services case, every court now should and must mulct advocates who hold wakalats but still refrain from attending courts in pursuance of a strike call with costs. Such costs would be in addition to the damages which the advocate may have to pay for the loss suffered by his client by reason of his non-appearance. Para. In the aforesaid decision, this court took note of the resolution dated 29 September 2002 passed by the Bar Council of India, by which it was resolved inter alia to constitute the grievance redressal committees at the taluk, subdivision or tehsil levels, at the district level, high court and supreme court levels. Thereafter, this court further observed that merely holding strikes as illegal would not be sufficient in the present day's situation, nor would it serve any purpose. Some concrete joint action is required to be taken by the bench and the bar to see that there are no strikes anymore. That thereafter, this court directed that within bracket all the bar associations in the country shall implement the resolution dated 29th September 2002 passed by the Bar Council of India, and B within bracket under section 34 of the Advocates Act, the high courts would frame necessary rules so the appropriate actions can be taken against defaulting advocate/advocates. Para. Despite the law laid down by this court in the aforesaid decisions and even the concern expressed by this court against the strikes by the lawyers, things did not improve, and again the issue of lawyers going on strikes came to be considered in the case of common cause. A registered society, SPRA, and this court in paragraph 4 of that judgment held as under. Para. Thus, the law is already well settled. It is the duty of every advocate who has accepted a brief to attend trial, even though it may go on day to day and for a prolonged period. It is also settled law that a lawyer who has accepted a brief cannot refuse to attend court because a boycott call is given by the Bar Association. It is settled law that it is unprofessional as well as unbecoming for a lawyer who has accepted a brief to refuse to attend court even in pursuance of a call for strike or boycott by the Bar Association and the Bar Council. Para. It is settled law that courts are under an obligation to hear and decide cases brought before them and cannot adjourn matters merely because lawyers are on strike. The law is that it is the duty and obligation of courts to go on with matters, or otherwise it would tantamount to becoming a privy to the strike. It is also settled law that if a resolution is passed by bar associations expressing want of confidence in judicial officers, it would amount to scandalizing the courts to undermine its authority, and thereby the advocates will have committed contempt of court. Thank you.